You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. It's a word originally from French, but that's also used in English. For more music vocabulary, stay tuned. In English, it's pronounced as serenade, from French serenade. So if you hear anybody say it as serenade, it probably is because it's a composition maybe that was named by a French person. So serenade is not an incorrect pronunciation. It depends a bit on the context. But if you're just talking about serenade in English and not a particular title, serenade is how it's pronounced in English, from French serenade. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.